are determined to take this branch down. I think half of it's still alive, which is why they're struggling a bit.
Hold on.
Ah, the sun's setting. We have generators going. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
What's going on over there?
All right. They're getting ready to come through.
Are they trying to get rid of a branch?
No, not right now.
Yeah, they're working on it.
How they trying to get
Base Camp 1. It is a mess at the moment. I've got to get some hours in organization tomorrow. And we'll probably do another video. Life is crazy out here. Homesteading with 8 people, multiple generations. Mom unfortunately has dementia, so we're recording a lot lately so we can remind her of what she's done the last few years. I know, it's an awful word. We gotta call it something else. Yeah? Definitely memory loss.